Hello guys, welcome back to the Glamrs studio. We are still on the subject of choosing the right colors if you have dusky skin or if you've had to do work with pigmented skin and then achieve an even base. A lot of people who are of this skin tone also tend to shy away from wearing big bold colors. To break that myth, I'm going to show you what you can do. It's all about the blending. And you must remember, in this case, if you go back a couple of videos and you see how I created this base, you'll see that there was a use of a lot of yellow to bring the tone alive. There is this common misconception that color, especially vivid, bright, bold colors, other than the usual greens and blues, are not for dark skin. Purples or plums, burgundies, they look fantastic against yellows. And you can see a fair amount of gold in her skin tone, creating warmth and a glow. So I'm going to pair this very clean look with a quite a burgundy plummy kind of eye. Again, this is not about the eye makeup, it's about the choice of colors, and you'll see that colors like that work wonderfully well with dusky skin. There's no real method, let's call it a smoky eye or colored eye, whatever you call it. It's mainly about the choice of colors and blending, of course. Well, there's the colored look completed, and I've deliberately actually used a purple just to show you how amazingly intense it looks on a deeper skin tone. And also the golds in her own skin pop up and forward because of the color that I've chosen for the eyes. So here's my small piece of advice, and I hope you take it home. Anybody out there with hyperpigmentation, deeper skin tones, dark skin tones, something that you're conscious of, there's a whole load of makeup waiting for you to experiment with. And as you can see, the makeup itself is really simple. It's just well blended and it's a good choice of colors. I hope you give this a shot. Stay tuned, stay glamorous. We'll be back soon.